9 English Unit 3 3.1 Coromandel Fishes. In this video we will see chit chat question, margin question and also workshop. Warming up. Chit chat. What time do you get up in the morning? I get up early in the morning at 6 o'clock. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Where do you spend your holidays? I spend my holidays in Pune, my grandparents' home. What adventure do you like? Boating, trekking, scuba diving, mountaineering or something else? I like trekking. After you finish your education, would you like to work close to nature? What would you like to do? I like to work close to nature. I would like to aware people about environment. Write as many words as you can related to the following. You should have at least 20 words each. You may refer to geography textbook or other sources for that purpose. Then try to find English words atoms for the one you have written. C. आपल्याला जास्तीत जास्त त्याच्याशी संबंधित 20 शब्द लिहायचे आहेत. सी म्हणजे समुद्र, याच्याशी संबंधित शब्द पाहूया. वॉटर, फिश, ब्रीज, सी प्लांट्स, सीगल, स्टॉर्म, शिप, वेव्स, लेक, बे, शोर, डेड सी, गल्फ, सीबेड, सेलर्स, वॉटर सायकल, सँड, सोडियम, डीप सी, पॉन्ड. विंड, वारा, याच्याशी संबंधित शब्द पाहूया. रेन, weather, storm, windfall, cyclone, air, monsoon, gas, speed, direction, solar wind, typhoon, snow, blow, wave, power, light, smoke, crosswind and sound. Sky, आकाश. Sun, star, cloud, planets, space, satellites, rainbow, horizon, moon, fog, air, sunset, sunrise, weather, atmosphere, mist, shadow, globe, dust cloud, Mars, Jupiter and aircraft. Land, लँड म्हणजे जमीन, याच्याशी संबंधित शब्द पाहूया. रिजन, सॉइल, व्हॅली, लँडस्लाइड, कंटिन्यूंट, माउंटेन, इस्टेट, प्लॉट, ड्रायलँड, मदरलँड, स्टेट, पॅडीलँड, फार्म, एरिया, प्लेलँड, क्रॉप, एम्पायर, फॉरेस्ट, सरफेस अँड रॉक. Think and answer. विचार करून उत्तरे देऊया. As the seagull flies away, calling, it appears as though he is showing the way. What does the way lead to? The way leads the fisherman to the sea, where plenty of fish can be caught. Who holds the storm by the hair? God holds the storm by the hair. What type of boat do the fishermen use? The fishermen use catamaran boats. Now we will start the English workshop. Answer the following questions. How many stanzas are there in the poem? There are 3 stanzas in the poem. How many lines are there in the poem? There are 12 lines in the poem. List the rhyming words in each stanza. In first stanza, light, night, free, sea. In the second stanza, call, all, drives, lives. Third stanza, grow, love, glee, sing. Question 2. You know that many poems have rhyming words or rhymes at the end of the lines in each stanza. The pattern of rhyming is usually shown with the help of small letters such as A, B, C, etc. This pattern of rhyme is known as the rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of each stanza in this poem is A, B, B, verify. प्रत्येक कवितेमध्ये रायमिंग स्कीम असते, म्हणजेच ABC यानुसार ती दर्शवलेली असते. या कवितेची राईम स्कीम AABB अशी आहे, तर ते आपल्याला पाहायची आहे की ती कशा पद्धतीने आहे. What do the following expressions refer to? Write in a word or phrase. Leaping wealth of the tide, fish. Kings of sea, fishermen. At the fall of the sun, at the sunset. At the edge of the verge, horizon. Match the following. Here answers are already correct. The wind, child. Down, mother holding her child. Sea, mother. Cloud, brother. Waves, comrades. Question 5. Find and write the lines in the poem that refer to. Early morning. Rise, brothers, rise, the wakening skies. Pray to the morning light. Evening. What though we toss at the fall of the sun, where the hand of the sea god drives? Full moonlight. And sweet are the sands at the full o' the moon, with the sound of the voices we love. ह्या कवितेच्या ओळी आहेत. Question 6. Write the lines that show that the fishermen are not afraid of the sea or of drowning. Fishermen हे घाबरलेले नाहीत ह्या दर्शवणाऱ्या ओळी. He who holds the storm by the hair will hide in his breast our lives. Question 7. In the last stanza, 2 lines refer to a landscape and 2 lines refer to a seascape. Which are they? Copy them from the poem correctly. कवितेतल्या लँडस्केप दर्शवणाऱ्या आणि सीस्केप दर्शवणाऱ्या दोन ओळी कोणत्या ते पाहूया. Landscape. Sweet is the shade of the coconut glade, and the scent of the mango grove, and sweet are the sands at the full o' the moon, with the sound of the voices we love. Seascape. But sweeter, O brothers, the kiss of the spray and the dance of the wild foam's glee. Row, brothers, row to the edge of the verge, where the low sky meets with the sea. Question 8. Using the internet, find photographs or pictures of landscape or seascape to illustrate the images used in the poem. सीस्केप आणि लँडस्केप दर्शवणारे फोटोज आपण पाहूया.
आपला हा निसर्ग अतिशय सुंदर आहे. गरज आहे ती फक्त आपण त्याला जवळून पाहण्याची, न्याहाळण्याची.
Question 9. Select a few lines from your favorite nature poem in your mother tongue and translate them into English. निसर्ग वर्णन करणारी एखादी आपल्या मातृभाषेतली कविता लिहूया आणि त्याचं इंग्रजीमध्ये भाषांतर करूया.
एकदा सूर्य खूप खूप कोपला, त्याच्या उन्हाने समुद्र तापला. समुद्राच्या पाण्याची झाली वाफ, वरवर गेली आपोआप. आकाशात तिचे ढग बनले, इकडे तिकडे फिरू लागले. विजेचा चाबूक घेऊन हाती, वारा लागला ढगांच्या पाठी. ढगांवर ढग लागले पडू, गडगड करून लागले रडू. डोळ्यातून पाण्याचा वर्षाव झाला, लोक म्हणती पाऊस आला, पाऊस आला. Once the sun was very hot. Its heat warmed the sea. The sea water evaporated automatically. Clouds formed in the sky and began to move around with a whip of electricity. The wind blew in the back of the clouds. Clouds began to fall. Thunder began to cry. Tears welled up in his eyes. People say it's raining. Thanks for watching this video.